Let's learn the IPA, a daily way for you to learn each individual sound of American English. Today we're looking at the sound oi, like in the words toy, poison, joint, and annoying. This sound has to start with your lips really tight, but only keep it one syllable. It's a perfect example of a diphthong, starting from one sound going to the other. Oi, oi in one piece. We say it by having the biggest glide in American English. Your tongue starts really low and moves upward, and your lips start almost completely closed to become relaxed. Oi, oi. Some practice phrases are, avoid the boys who enjoy noise, and join the coins with the Android. If you like what you see, please subscribe and come back tomorrow. We're going to talk about an interesting sound, the sound air.